Protecting your Jeep Gladiator's cargo isn't just about convenience. It's about keeping your gear safe from rain, snow, dust, and even unwanted attention. The last thing you want is to find your belongings soaked, damaged, or worse, missing. But with so many tonneau covers on the market, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. That's why we've done the research for you. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 tonneau covers made specifically for your Jeep Gladiator, focusing on durability, ease of installation, and real value for your money. Stick around and don't forget to check the description for exclusive deals. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list, the Mamoru Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. This cover brings solid protection for your Gladiator's 5-foot bed. Built with FRP panels, it offers durability without adding unnecessary weight. Plus, the water-resistant seals help keep your cargo dry in most conditions. So whether it's a sudden downpour or an unexpected dusty trail, your gear stays protected. Now, let's talk about installation. It's designed to be hassle-free with an included utility track mounting kit. While some users mention that the instructions could be clearer, the overall setup is pretty straightforward. The quick handle clamp system makes opening and closing a breeze, and the fixed buckle design ensures that the cover stays secure when folded. No shifting, no rattling. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. The first panel near the cab doesn't fully stand up, which means access is a bit more limited compared to some competitors. The FRP material, while lightweight and durable, doesn't have the same premium feel as aluminum alternatives. And while the built-in motion sensor nightlight is a thoughtful touch, some users find its placement and brightness could be improved. But here's the bottom line. For the price, this cover delivers solid weather protection and security features that make it a worthy option, especially if you love off-road adventures. The anti-vibration design helps keep noise down on bumpy trails, and the chemical-resistant surface makes cleanup effortless after a long day on the road. Stay tuned as we move up the list to even more impressive tonneau covers that might be the perfect fit for your Jeep Gladiator. Moving on to number 4, the ONINE Hard Trifold brings some impressive upgrades that make it stand out. If you're looking for a tonneau cover that balances strength and weight, this one does a great job thanks to its aluminum panels with a honeycomb core. It's sturdy, lightweight, and built to last. Plus, the textured black coating not only blends seamlessly with most bed caps, but also adds scratch resistance, keeping your truck looking sharp. Now, let's talk about weather protection. The integrated water management system does a solid job of preventing leaks. However, in heavy downpours, some users have noticed minor seepage. So while it's great for most conditions, it's something to keep in mind if you frequently deal with extreme weather. When it comes to accessibility, this cover gives you 2/3 bed access, which is more than enough for most loading needs. And installation? Quick and painless. You're looking at just 15 to 20 minutes with no special tools or modifications required. One standout feature is the turn knob bolt system, a thoughtful addition that lets you make quick adjustments without needing tools. But there are a few downsides. Quality control could use some improvement, as some buyers have reported missing hardware upon delivery, leading to customer service delays. Also, while the clamp system is secure, it might need a bit of retightening after rough terrain driving, something off-roaders should be aware of. The cover maintains good tension in various weather conditions, but the seal along the tailgate could be stronger to prevent minor leaks. Coming in at number 3, the Calffree hard folding cover earns its spot with a well-rounded mix of security, durability, and accessibility. If you're looking for a cover that can handle the elements while still being easy to use, this one definitely deserves a closer look. One of its biggest strengths? Weather resistance. Built with high-quality materials, it holds up well against rain, snow, and dust, while the sealing system ensures consistent protection, keeping your cargo safe and dry no matter where the road takes you. Installation? Straightforward and hassle-free. Most owners find it easy to set up without any major issues. Plus, the smooth folding mechanism gives you quick access whenever you need it. And here's a key advantage. The weight distribution is well thought out, helping to prevent sagging or warping over time. a common problem with lower quality covers. That said, there are a few areas where it could be better. The latch system, while functional, doesn't feel as refined as some higher-end alternatives. Some users also mention that the rubber seals need occasional maintenance to stay at peak performance. And while the thick panels provide extra security, they do take up a bit of bed space when folded. One thing you'll appreciate on long drives? Minimal wind noise. Thanks to its aerodynamic design, some users even notice a slight improvement in fuel efficiency, though results can vary. And while the overall material quality is solid, the finish across the panels could be more consistent. So what do you think? Would this tonneau cover be a good fit for your Jeep Gladiator? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And stick around, we've got 2 even more impressive covers coming up next. Taking the second spot on our list, the Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold has earned a reputation for reliability and value. If you're looking for a durable yet budget-friendly tonneau cover, this one is definitely worth considering. What makes it stand out? The build quality. Made from 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl and reinforced with aircraft-grade aluminum frames, this cover is designed to handle the elements while staying lightweight and easy to use. Plus, the pre-assembled crossbars provide extra structural support without interfering with the smooth fold-up design. One thing that really shows thoughtful engineering is the patented stainless steel clamp system. It's built to last and keeps the cover securely in place. However, if your truck has an over-the-bed-rail bed liner, you'll need to make some minor modifications to accommodate the clamps. And while the heavy-duty vinyl holds up well, extreme weather conditions can cause it to show wear faster than hardcovers. Installation? Simple and hassle-free. Most users find it straightforward, but if it's your first tonneau cover, the instructions could be a bit clearer. Once installed, it keeps good tension across different temperatures, though you may need to make small seasonal adjustments for the best fit. When it comes to weather protection, the sealing system does a solid job keeping water out. That said, some users have reported minor seepage during car washes, so while it's great for rain and dust, you might want to avoid high-pressure water directly on the seams. One big plus? The lifetime warranty. That extra peace of mind is always a win, but be sure to check the specific terms, as coverage can vary. And even though it's a soft cover, when combined with a locked tailgate, it provides a decent level of security for everyday use. The AutoSaver 88 FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau cover earns its top spot for all the right reasons. If you're a Gladiator owner, this cover feels like it was made just for you. Its fiberglass reinforced polymer construction, paired with a PP honeycomb structure, brings an impressive balance, tough enough to handle the road ahead while staying lightweight for easy use. And get this, it holds up to 450 pounds. That's more than most competitors, giving you the confidence to securely stack cargo on top when you need extra space. No more second guessing whether your tonneau can handle the load. Installation? Straightforward and secure. The 6-clamp mounting system evenly distributes pressure, protecting your bed rails from warping, a major win for long-term durability. Plus, the sleek aerodynamic design isn't just for looks. It helps reduce drag, which could even improve your fuel efficiency on those highway drives. And when it comes to weather protection, this cover holds up remarkably well in heavy rain. While it does a great job on its own, adding a small bead of silicone around the rails can make it even more watertight. Just a simple tweak for near-perfect results. The latches? Smooth and solid. No flimsy, cheap feel here. Just reliable functionality you can count on. Now, what could be better? Well, the latch consistency could use some fine-tuning. Some users have noticed slight variations in how they feel between different units. Not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. Also, while the weather stripping does its job well, in harsh climates, it might wear out a bit sooner than expected. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these tonneau covers fits your needs best? Drop a comment below and let us know your pick. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth vehicle accessory reviews, and check the description for product links and exclusive details.